In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets. This is a really handy way to collect data efficiently and have it organized automatically in a spreadsheet ready for you to analyze. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your Google form. Once you're in, navigate to the top of the page where you'll find several tabs and click on the Responses tab. This is where all the magic happens. You'll notice all the responses from your form will be collected here. Now, the crucial step to link your form to a Google Sheet lies right here. Next, look for the icon that looks like a little green sheet of paper. That's your gateway to connecting with Google Sheets. Go ahead and click on it, which will prompt a new window to open. This window gives you two choices. You can either create a completely new spreadsheet dedicated to your responses, or you can select an existing spreadsheet if you prefer to consolidate your data in one place. Choose whatever suits your purpose best. If you're starting fresh, just give your new spreadsheet a suitable name and proceed. Once you've made your selection, you're all set. To see this connection in action, you might want to fill out your form as an example. Just submit a quick test response and then head over to your Google Drive where your sheets are stored. Open the spreadsheet you just linked your form to. Voila, you should see that your test response has appeared as a new row, neatly organized within your sheet. This real-time update is one of the best features of this integration. It confirms that your form is successfully linked to the sheet and that data will now flow seamlessly between them. As new responses come in, you'll find that they will automatically populate into this same spreadsheet. This automation saves a ton of time and manual effort, making it especially useful for educators collecting student information, businesses gathering customer feedback, or anyone needing to collect and analyze data efficiently. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've connected your Google form to Google Sheets, creating an effortless data path that keeps your information organized and easily accessible. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.